Hey guys, it's Kevin with Watchhimtrade.com going into the trading week of June 22nd through June 26th, 2015, here with my Bulls vs. Bears outlook. And for the second time in a row, I don't have a Bulls jersey on, don't have a Bears jersey on, just wearing this plain white shirt to represent my neutral bias on the market. I came out 2 weeks ago, said I was completely neutral on things, and I haven't seen anything to change that bias recently. So still just feeling neutral on the market, and really kind of starting to think that this year could just be the year of the consolidation in general. We're 6 months in, haven't seen much percentage movement, haven't seen a lot of volatility. So until I start seeing clear breakouts or clear breakdowns, I don't think there's any reason to be anything but neutral and play the channel. The channel that I see is 2070 support on the low end and 2125-ish resistance on the high end, with 2100 dictating things in between, meaning right now we're at 2109. If we come down around 2100 at the beginning of the week, see if you can hold that level. If you can, then I'd look for a bounce back up towards 2120, 2125. But if you're losing 2100 cleanly, then I'd look for a test down towards the lower end of support at 2070. But overall, in terms of breakouts or breakdowns, I just can't get excited, and I've really expanded my resistance and support levels. Previously, I was watching 2085 support, 2070, 2058, which is last year's close. Now, it's really just all about one level to me, intermediate term, and that is 2040 on the S&P. That is the March lows. That low kind of sticks out to me like a thumb, and that's the level you need to get below in order to be bearish. That doesn't mean I'm not going to look for downside. You know, that's 60 points worth of downside that we could get to without ever breaking, but it would still just be channel downside in my view. Wouldn't really start an official downtrend. As far as upside, my problem with making new all-time highs is if we make them, we need to keep going. We've made multiple new all-time highs this year, but every single one has ended up back down beneath 2100 within a few sessions or a couple of weeks. So I just can't get excited about new all-time highs either, where normally I'd say, hey, if you're making new all-time highs, you're breaking out. Well, that hasn't been the case. We just made new all-time highs last month and nothing happened. Here we are still right around 2100. So completely neutral. I think a lot of stocks are the same way. You look at Amazon this past week, looked like it was breaking out and then got sold into on Friday, came back into its range. Be on the lookout for plays like that. Google is consolidating, looks like she might break out to the upside, but at the moment I consider breakouts as fake outs, and we'll look to fade those moves until I see some sustained pushes to the upside. But a name like Apple is still channeling, Microsoft is channeling. The banks, while near their highs, have started to go sideways up near those highs the last week or two. So just a lot of consolidation across the board between markets and stocks in general. So keep it light, I think, stay conservative, and stay playing the channel until something changes. Good luck.